How do giant tube worms thrive at hydrothermal vents? Imagine a place so extreme that sunlight never reaches it, yet life still flourishes. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, hydrothermal vents create such a world. These vents releases superheated water filled with chemicals like hydrogen sulfide. It might seem impossible for creatures to survive here, but giant tube worms have found a way. They live in this harsh environment by forming a special partnership with bacteria inside their bodies. These bacteria are chemosynthetic, meaning they can turn chemicals from the vents into food. Unlike plants that need sunlight, these bacteria use the energy from hydrogen sulfide to make sugars through chemosynthesis. The worms have no mouths or digestive systems. Instead, they rely entirely on their internal bacteria for nutrition. Inside the worm's body is a large organ called the trophosome, which houses billions of bacteria. These bacteria take in carbon dioxide from the water and convert it into organic molecules that the worm can use. They do this using two different chemical pathways, which helps them survive the changing conditions around the vents. The worms have a bright red, feather-like structure called a plume that acts like gills. This plume absorbs oxygen and hydrogen sulfide from the water and delivers these chemicals to the bacteria inside. The worm's blood contains a special protein that binds both oxygen and hydrogen sulfide at the same time, keeping these chemicals safe from toxicity. These adaptations help the worms withstand the extreme pressure and temperature swings near the vents. They grow quickly, reaching up to 6 feet long in about 1.5 years. This rapid growth helps them colonize new vent sites. Their larvae can drift long distances in the ocean, searching for new vents to settle in. However, many larvae do not survive because vent habitats are patchy and often short-lived. In summary, giant tube worms thrive at hydrothermal vents because they host bacteria that turn vent chemicals into food. They have specialized organs and blood chemistry that support this partnership. Their physical and reproductive adaptations allow them to survive in a place where most other life cannot. This unique relationship is what makes these fascinating creatures possible in such an extreme environment.